What's up, guys?
Hi,
Welcome back to the Island Family channel.
Yeah. See that?
Yeah, guys. So we're there in St. Thomas with my family. Them, you see me?
Oh,
Yeah. So drop them off and things. So yeah, head home back to Portland. You see me? So
Yes.
yeah, man. These are the fams and things. So
Hi guys.
big up on yourself.
Yeah, blessings. You see me? I make sure subscribe, you know.
Yeah, man.
Me share it, you see?
True.
Yeah.
That's it,
Yeah,
guys.
man. So we're gonna hit the road, you know.
Yeah.
And blessings.
I
you know.
see a journey.
Thank
you
you
see
so
me?
much.
See a journey.
Alright,
Island.
guys. Yeah, man.
Remember,
come
you
tell
see
Uncle
young
bye.
plug it.
Go tell Uncle bye. Come tell Uncle bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
Nobody crying now, you know. Don't cry now.
Bye, Uncle.
No, not do me that. Not do me that. I tell you.
Oh,
Alright, so
there we go.
you see me again here?
Yeah, man.
Alright, bless up, bro. Yeah, man.
Blessings, guys. Thank you so much.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah,
All
man.
right. Take care.
Okay, guys, so we're there at search for a chocolate. You see me? We're here, so the owner for this place shot people in chocolate. Them, but I see me can grab one. And we have some cow out here in the road. More. There you go, cows.
Asado? Mom, I'll cook you. I'll cook you. They make asado. All my Argentinians out there, they know what asado is, Argentinian barbecue.
What the hell?
Jesus. That's right, he said come. He's in chocolate. I saw one.
I'm not seeing any ripe one. Jesus. Babes want chocolate.
I want chocolate, guys. Babe ate all my M&Ms last night.
Oh my
He
god.
did, he ate all my chocolate.
All of these ones don't look ready at all.
He ate my chocolate, guys.
Jesus. Seems like that's a big fail.
He ate my peanut M&Ms, guys.
What?
He's such a chancho.
No.
So yeah, guys, we're traveling from St. Thomas.
Yeah. Some more chocolate tree I don't have, so
Yeah.
we'll see if we can find one.
Give me the camera, baby. I want to camera this view here. You see anything? So guys,
I'm looking.
yeah, babe, does people live in there?
Looks
Probably.
Like, yeah, there's houses there.
Wow. Okay. Just thinking. Someone abandoned that place. Someone abandoned that place. Houses everywhere. Say hi. Hi for the vlog. Hi. Cute girls. Coconuts. So guys, they're fixing up the roads in so on there in St. Thomas, and the roads at the moment are just getting better.
I'm gonna have to hurry, babe.
Yeah, hurry before you get shot. He's gonna get chocolate. Pew pew pew. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, I'm gonna get shot. I think I'm gonna be the first one to get shot. Probably. I'll be the first one to get shot, guys. Run.
Man, I come with one gun.
Oh, hurry up,
Yeah,
run.
come with one gun.
Hurry up then. What are you doing? Close
We
the
dead,
door.
no, we dead. Right, we dead. Island. Make a run feet Island. Oh god.
Jesus. It's probably at the corner they're getting, the girls are probably telling him, 2 foreigners just stole your cocoa.
So here they are, guys. Nice chocolate.
Yum. Pop one open and show them people this is what we eat. You gonna need a stick? Well, let's go a bit further down then.
Yeah.
Yeah, so guys, they're fixing the roads here in St. Thomas. Look, you had plenty there. Oh my gosh. We're chanchos.
We get 2 anyway.
We got 2. That's enough. We don't look. If the guy saw us, I would have said, yo, can I have some? Because I love them, you know? And then could have negotiated, but Babe's a thief, guys. Oh God. I love Jamaica. Love it. Jamaica is beautiful and green and lovely. I know. Look at the roads, guys. Just feast your eyes on the roads. Say hi to the vlog. Yay!
He's looking.
Oh God.
He wants you.
Oh,
he
God.
wants Mamacita. Oi.
See
You
the
make the
roads.
bike man crash, you see all them something there?
Yeah, that would be amazing to see that. See him crash a little bit. They're staring at the wrong woman.
Yeah, no, you might look back in there, man. Hey, here's how you had it to you, man. Yeah, no, you might look back in there, man.
There you go, guys. Gotta be super careful when you're driving along these roads. You don't want your tyres to pop. Look at the mountains, guys.
Man, look at this side of the road there, so.
Shit. Yeah, that's really bad. That is really bad.
St. Thomas Road need fixing up. Government ain't doing crap.
Look at these guys coming up. This is not
Really
good.
bad.
This is like definitely 4 drives kind of work. Oh look, a mongoose just ran across the road.
Mongoose, they know for that.
They know, mongoose people, they know. Yep. Hey Dad,
Let me get the rock right here.
hang on, let me pull up here. Let me pull up. Alright.
Everybody's tired.
My hair is itching me, guys. I'm gonna take it out soon, I think. Yeah, really soon. I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna pull it out, guys, and pull it out. You need to pee, don't you?
No.
I do. He's so cute.
This is it, guys. Chocolate. Let's crack it open like that.
Oh my god. And then the inside is what you
Look at that.
And then
It's
this is
beautiful.
what you eat, guys. That.
Yeah.
Go, you eat one for the camera.
Mm-hmm. It's like a little sweet.
Mmm.
It's very nice.
Mmm.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, guys, gonna hit the road right now.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go, guys. I chew the thing too, so yeah, I chew it. The nicest, guys. Gotta try it when you're out in Jamaica. So guys, babe, what is this called that I've got in my hand?
We call them gungo.
The gongo beans.
Yeah.
Golongo kolongo gongo. This one. And
Nice in a rice.
so you put these in a rice, but you don't, not the skin, it's actually inside.
Yeah.
If I open it, will it make me itchy?
No, it's good.
Alright.
It's probably a young one, so it's probably pretty small.
Oh yeah, they're babies. They're baby ones, guys. So this is what you put in your rice here in Jamaica.
Bungo peas done. Nice in your rice, you know.
Well, there you go, guys. Congo beans, straight out of Jamaican land.
Yeah, man.
So,
Some breadfruit tree there.
where?
Those are
Oh yeah, breadfruits, those big ones. Yep. Wow, guys, and bananas, and this is what I love Jamaica for. Okay, for all them people that say I only like, well, I come to Jamaica for other kind of reasons. I come to Jamaica for the beauty of the place, the sea, the ocean, the fruits, the veggies, the green land, you know, the greenery. I love greenery. Every time I feel like I'm in peace, you know, I'm in touch with the nature, and this is why I love Jamaica, guys. Obviously, of course, I love my husband, but this is another reason why I love the land here. It's beautiful. So if you've never been to Jamaica, guys, make that and put that on your bucket list. Definitely put it on your bucket list, because you will not be disappointed. Do you know that that red thing as well around the bananas, babe?
Yeah.
Like, for example, yeah. Hi, Rasta.
Look here.
Oh,
Video it. Just hear what he's saying.
okay. Do you mind? I'm just filming. I'm filming.
Yeah, nice.
All right.
I like that.
Okay.
But I want to encourage you for what the product is like.
Okay.
Because you know, especially when you're in Jamaica,
Okay.
you have someone like us to show you certain knowledge. Yeah, this guarantee for the blood, the bone, the flesh, and activated activity. Very good. Hold on, hold on.
The police guys.
Looking like what the hell?
Yeah, yeah.
Be truthful. You know, I just pick up your vibes and just administrate my thing and let you know.
Okay.
Because Jamaica, you know, is no problem.
Yeah.
It's just to be with the right person.
I got you.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But my name right now is Wolverine.
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 That's unique.
Yeah, and it's I'm a vocal, I'm an artist.
Okay. You
So,
sing.
Yeah, if you want, I could give you a song just
Please
like that.
do. Are you on like a media or anything, like promoting yourself?
That's what I want right now.
Okay.
Cause
Shoot away.
wow.
Shoot.
But right now I don't have a phone.
Okay.
Believe me. So if you could adequately, from you come anywhere along the side, you'll see me. Cause I could even show you my place around there when we finish. When I sing the song for you,
Okay.
yeah, I could show you my headquarters.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like somewhere like the Rock,
All right.
where like some people like the rain falling
Yeah.
and go there and relax,
Okay.
comfort your mind.
Right.
Much better more than where a lot of people are.
Yeah, that's
You
right.
know.
I would love to, but I have to go back to Port Antonio.
Yeah, we won't stay long. It's just
Okay.
around there.
Okay. All
Yeah.
right. No worries.
So you want me to sing this?
Sing,
song?
please. Yes.
I'm just gonna sing a song in Tully.
Okay.
Until it comes up
Yep.
and looking like this.
Okay.
I'm gonna start it, and you can put it on a rhythm too if you want. I'm sure, and you can let it go further
Okay.
under your concern.
All right.
With me,
Yep.
Wolverine.
All right. Wolverine.
Yeah, to the world, blessings to everyone all over the place. In America, Europe, Japan, Jamaica, Africa. Wow. Wolverine loves every one of you. And this song is from the Almighty, from my heart, singing to the world. Yeah, it starts like this. Praises to the Most High. Whoa, whoa. And you can even look and see way up in the sky. And I say, Jah Rastafari. Love Jah you live, But if you hate him, you die. Toast the feelings of his heart. He's concerned of everyone. Yeah.
Beautiful
Boy, Jaja in the atmosphere. Boy, for us, Jaja care each and everywhere. So let us put down the war and have some fun now. Come let we plant food, just can't do now. Plant potato, planting cocoa and yam. Whoa, yeah. Sugar cane. And marijuana in our brain. Whoa, no cocaine. No.
Yes.
No. So me tell them, say, live for Jaja and do yourself with working all night long. Working in the day, working in the night. Work for what you want. He say now, by the sweat of your brow, you shall eat bread. Yo, yeah, whoa, whoa. So we no want no more somebody if he dead. We want to see life, liberty. The sun is shining, the breeze is blowing. What else could it be, baby?
Yes.
Oh, love. Sing from a look in your eyes. I see you're so great for everyone. And I'm wishing you the best from the north, south, east and west. Wow.
Yes, I.
Hey, I said I'm wishing you the best, yo. Cause Jaja is the greatest.
That's right.
Ah, hey.
Yeah.
And so the sun's shining and the breeze is blowing. You're still smiling. In your eyes I'm looking. Ah, you're the best. Yes.
Yes, Rasta.
So
Yeah,
Wolverine
very
one
good.
to the world.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Excellent.
Lots of respect, you know.
Respect. Thank you,
Yeah,
man.
I want to show you where I'm living.
All right. Come in the front.
Yes.
I have my husband and my baby boy.
Whoa, no problem.
Yeah, come in. Come on.
Bless you,
Respect.
know. And it's your Ozzy.
Yeah.
Yo, this is for you. I don't know what you can do for me. I'm not gonna charge a big money, right?
To be honest, we kind of spin out because
We
my
just
brother will just drop off.
we just dropped off our brother-in-law.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are from Portland, so we just
We just get married. and
we got married yesterday.
Well, that's good.
It's great. Yes.
Good, man. Believe me.
Give thanks.
Yeah, man, I love that, you know.
Yeah,
I really love that. Because you see, in Jamaica here is a very beautiful place.
definitely it
But if
is.
you can have someone like even this guy as I seen him, you know,
Yeah.
very good guideline for the topic of what's going on, you know.
Yeah, for
Well,
real.
you see from here coming right on,
Yes.
it's me doing all these planting.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
And
How old are you, Wolverine?
yeah.
How old are you?
You can take your time right here. I am, tell you the truth, I am roughly about 61.
Wow. And you're still active, man. And you're strong. Yeah.
You know something? I got some spring water there. You got anything like I can get some of my spring water from? It coming from way up in
Really,
there.
from the hills? Oh my God. You must live in a beautiful place. Hello.
Hi.
How are you? That's good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's good.
All right. I'm gonna love you and leave you. I have to go.
Okay.
Look, it was a pleasure meeting you.
Right.
All right, Wolverine, you're now on channel.
Wow.
All right.
Blessing.
I hope people hear you, and now I know where you live too.
Right.
You don't have a number we can contact you.
Can I give you a number?
There is any number there we
That's
can
my
contact
sister.
you. Okay. Okay. All right.
Yeah, we'll take them.
We take down your sister's number and we call you when we come back around.
Right.
Yeah. All right.
Right. But you see me every day.
I see you. I'll
All
see you
this
when I come
planting
back.
I'm doing.
Wow.
Yeah.
You're a strong man.
Wow.
You have family. You have kids.
Not as yet.
Not as yet. You don't have a wife?
No.
No kids?
No. I'm just, what I mean, not as yet.
Not as yet. Okay.
Because the thing is just bearing now, blossom, just like tree plant.
Okay. All right. All
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
Well,
It-
it's been a pleasure meeting you, Wolverine.
Wow.
I'm Maria,
Yeah.
Afrikai.
Yeah, my brother.
Yes, man.
Blessings, blessings.
All right.
Yeah.
You
You have a beautiful voice too.
Yeah, man.
Yep.
You have a beautiful voice.
Wow.
All right.
Nice.
Keep singing.
Nice.
Okay. You got a nice heart as well.
Nice.
All right.
Nice.
I'll come and see you next time for this.
Wow, yeah.
When I have a bit more money.
Oh my god.
All right.
Yeah, I understand.
All right. Blessings, sir.
Same to you.
All right.
A long life and liberty.
Thank you. Bless.
man.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Honor.
So we're here at the border, Portland and St. Thomas. Yeah. Oh, that one up there says St. Thomas. I want you zoom this again. Well, can't get the zoom anyway, so yeah. You are now leaving East Portland. Cool. Alright. Take a picture. Okay, so this side says St. Thomas. Cool.
You can take it, put it on photo mode and then timer. And you can both take one together.
Okay. Alright, let's take with your phone first. Alright. Nice. Hold on. Sit down, Simon. I rushed that. Alright, stay. Sit. Babes, up there.
Who's the bird?
I'm Blackbird. Look at them first, cause I know you're picky, you know.
I'm picky. You gotta be perfect. Just the same bloody pose, mister.
What do you mean, same bloody
yeah,
pose?
they're alright. Okay. Your turn.
Alright,
Go.
okay. We find this little spot. The last time we came here and took some pictures when Mario was in Jamaica. And we're here again. Yeah. No, this time it's not just the two of us. We also have Bobo here.
Baba!
Yeah, so it's three of us this time, I swear. Yeah, man. Just look, guys. Yeah, it looks beautiful from up here. Look at those waves down there, man. Woo-hoo, look at that.
Oh boy, look at
What? Look at the wave there. Yo. Alright, stay for another one. Alright, stay right there.
Island, look at the camera.
Wave.
Island.
Bobo. Island.
Island, look up there. Island.
What?
Island, look.
What?
Nah, he won't. Ready?
Yeah.
Bobo! Island! Hi! Hi!
Let me take another one. Bobo. Yeah.
Island! Hi!